Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching between miles and kilometers in Google Maps on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Exit out of the route if you have one open, so you're at the default view of Maps. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Distance Units. You can choose between automatic, kilometers and miles. The distance units will change immediately, and the next time you create a route it will be in the unit you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Maps tips and tricks.